Yo, what's good everybody? Back with another video, and this video is about the daily IS I picked up about like 7 months ago, back in April, May or whatever. And yeah, I haven't shown it off since then just because I've been doing a lot of work to it. Got the full body kit, full suspension, arms, bushings, headlights, Altezza rain guards, the OEM sport design wheels, the whole 9 yards, taillight covers, everything. So I haven't really been wanting to show it off until now, just till it's pretty much 100% done, just so you can see the complete before and after. So I'm gonna drop a picture right now and a link to the video of me first buying this car. So yeah, let's get into it. So the front, I ended up getting the Altezza body kit all around, as you can see. Sorry for the little squeal. I got a few things I gotta fix: the belt, cam seals, oil leaks, stuff like that, valve covers, basic stuff. Other than that, should be good. But anyway, back to the point. I got the Altezza body kit. It's kind of hard to see because it's in black, but yeah, I got that with the sport design, or Vita dark chrome titanium headlights. Yeah, I just ended up getting like some yellow wrap off of Amazon and sticking it on this, so it gives it that yellow effect. I don't know, I like it. It looks cool. I didn't put the badge on. I think it looks cool without it. It's a little more cleaner. I don't know. I still have it though, if I ever do want to throw it on. The little license plate adapter. I'll put a link to the guy's Instagram or his Facebook page if you want to buy something off him, like bumpers and stuff. You have to gift them, but I never gift, so I'm PayPal, friends and family only. But I gift him. He's legit, 100%. This is coming from somebody who's got bad trust issues, so yeah, you'll be good if you want a kit from him. So I'm gonna put his info in right here. And yeah, we got the sport design wheels, the charcoal ones, and I'm getting new pads, rotors all around. I ended up painting like the center part of the rotor so it doesn't rust. I don't know why it comes like that, like already like a wall finish for a rotor, because this looks bad in my opinion. But kept the calipers stock color. I think it goes good. Saved me some money. What else? Accidentally lost the little part for the fender liner here, which kind of got me mad, but it is what it is. Then I got the suspension done, like the whole front end, rear end. So where did I get? I got like Megan Racing upper ball joints that I had in my basement. Then like the rest Super Pro, all the #1 and #2 arms. Then the Figs polyurethane steering rack cushions from Super Pro. I'm gonna drop all pictures of the suspension right now, since I mean you can't really see under the car like that. But yeah, BC Racing coilovers. Just something simple but quality stuff. Didn't want to cheap out on my daily just because I don't want like an arm to break or a ball joint to go out, God forbid. So, and we got the Altezza, or Qualitat, Elegance, TRD, JDM, Altezza, whatever you want to call it, side skirts. It's a clean, simple look. It doesn't have that little part in the middle like the other style. It just has it from the back. So yeah, what else? I ended up getting I had an extra set of rain guards in my basement. Just got some tape on it. The Altezza ones. And I ended up getting a nice little stubby antenna to make it go nice. What else? Again, new brakes, pads, everything like that in the rear. And now, what else? Coming to the rear is where it gets pretty cool and interesting in my opinion. This is the Moto Esta OEM bumper. So it's got this nice little lip that's like almost molded into it, and it flows with the whole car. So yeah, I got this local, lucky enough. He might be watching it, shout out to you. He's on the forums and whatnot. Got it for a pretty good price, got it painted for a decent price at the body shop. So yeah, ever since I saw this bumper like 10 years ago, my first IS, I'm like, yeah, I need that. And it only fits the sedan unless you modify it to fit the wagon. I've seen someone do it, it's pretty cool, but I'm obsessed with the rear bumper. Cloud tap bumper, the JDM taillight covers, and I know technically, quote unquote, it's not a full Moto Esta kit, but I have the actual Moto Esta spoiler that looks like a stock US Is300 spoiler, but it's just a little different. It doesn't have the light on it either, which I'm lucky enough I got the third brake light in there, so I don't have to worry about that because this is an OEM one. So this spoiler too will be for sale if you're local to like the New England area, and if you're interested in it, let me know. I'm getting rid of it for a pretty decent price, so comment below or something. But yeah, that's how she's looking from the rear. Taillight covers, OEM, everything OEM, body kit, Altezza, all plastic, no fiberglass. So I was able to keep the front crash bar with the front Moto Esta bumper, and then the rear you can't use. You was like kind of fighting with the foam to get it to stay in the rear bumper, so I ended up just not even going with anything. And yeah, the crash bar takes out like a good 30-40 pounds. So yeah, still the full stock exhaust. Just want it quiet, see, nice and quiet. Can't even hear it. It's like a little Prius. Just want to polish up the tip a little bit, because with this bumper now you can, the exhaust pops out a little more. Well, here's a better angle of that rear Moto Esta bumper. I know I keep showing it off. It's just, I think, in my opinion, personally, one of my best, not best, favorite Altezza JDM body kit pieces. So yeah, that's how she's sitting now, guys. Give me some thoughts, some opinions, what you think of the daily. Not gonna be going crazy or doing anything with it, so yeah, just gonna keep it stopped just like this. So unless anything else happens in the future where I'm fortunate enough to maybe make this into another project car or build, that'd be great. And if you guys want to help pitch in, just all you got to do is free. It's subscribe, like, comment, share the video, turn on post notifications, and yeah, just helps out the algorithm. So I appreciate you guys subscribing and supporting me, whatnot. Like I said, leave a comment down below what you think, and next video I'll be back with the other 800 horsepower build for the wagon. So definitely subscribe, you're gonna want to see that. In the meantime, I'll catch you then. Peace.